All right, Roman Scorpion here. Doing a little bit more stuff inside. I had a lot of people message me about the BARRETT MRAD. This is her. She's all set up. I have a LEUPOLD MK4, 5 to 25 by 50 with the BARRETT BORS systems and zero gap BARRETT rings. Also have a B&T Verse 36 suppressor with Plan B hub and muzzle device, and I have Plan B muzzle device in all three calibers: the 308 Winchester, the 300 Win Mag, and the 338 Lapua. This is one of the few that I found that for a multi-cal type of can, it'll handle 338 Lapua Magnum and the 300 Win Mag without a problem. I mean, it's an excellent rifle. It is incredibly accurate. More accurate than obviously I am. It'll do way better than I will. But the most I've done so far with it is did 800 yards out there northwest of Austin, yeah, ran all three calibers with the BORS. Got it set up for the ballistics on all three of the ammunitions that I was running, and plus many more. It's got like 100 stored in it. The BORS software is absolutely intuitive. Really nice setup. Was a bit tough to get the updated software. Couldn't find it anywhere online. Contacted Barrett. Barrett customer service was unbelievably amazing. Not only did they say that they would provide it to me, but they weren't going to be able to send it to me or allow me to access it remotely to download it. So they went ahead, and because I've purchased many things from them, they already had me in the system. So I went ahead and, or they went ahead and sent me out a thumb drive with the latest and greatest software that they had available for it. And that's pretty much it. Just basically plug into it. Go ahead and upload all your ballistics, your drag coefficients, and muzzle energy, and everything. I mean, everything that you need to load into it. It walks you through every bit of it, and it'll definitely get you on paper. As far as elevation goes, the BORS is amazing. I've used a couple other BORS on different rifles. I have a BORS as well with the Night Force on my M107A1, and that came off of the M82. But it's amazing. It's really nice. And the B&T Verse 36 is, especially with the 308, it significantly quiets things down, and just kind of the muzzle blast and the flash and all that stuff like that's cut down to nothing. First couple rounds with it, I did have sparking out of it. It is a 3D printed titanium cannon. It does not have the Inconel blast chamber on this version, but still, I mean, it does everything that I want it to do plus some. And I do have this thing set up in the whole kit. It's actually pretty slick. I have it, like I said, I mean, it is in the three calibers, the 308, 300 Win Mag, 338 Lapua. The BORS system is awesome. I mean, it's a great setup. But as you can see, I have the barrels, bolt faces, tools, flash, muzzle devices, and the bore alignment tools, cleaning rods, all the tool kits. I mean, everything there is. And I got 5 mags a piece plus dummy rounds and all of that stuff, just to make sure that everything's sorted and set. It does have the full kit. It is in the big Pelican case. It's stout to haul around, but it's still lighted and hauling around like the M107. But that's pretty much it. I just figured I'd give you a quick look at it. I had many people that were asking about it, and You know, I mean, that's the B&T. You know, I for all the cans that I do have, that's one of the best ones I've had so far, especially with these calibers. It's really second to none. So I would definitely recommend the B&T Verse 36 if you have something that could use it. It's definitely by far the way to go. But that's where we're at on this. I'm going to have it out at the range again in another couple days, and you know, hopefully I can get another trip in before the next surgery and be able to, you know, show you guys what that's about. I also have another B&T titanium can for my 5.56. I have a couple ARs like most people do. I have a few ARs, and I run the can on that, especially with the FRT, the Super Safety FRT. It's awesome. I have one that's very similar to this one that I also run on my HK pistols. You know, a suppressed 45 is just fun. I mean, it's ultra quiet. I mean, it does everything you want it to do. But yeah, but hopefully everybody's getting out there and doing some shooting and enjoying the cool weather from doing a lot more of that stuff outside. Hopefully my surgery will go well, and I'll be back at it again out there on the range and take out the BMW and, you know, go from there. I do have a Ducati Desert X as well now. So between the two of those, should have lots of videos coming up. But hope everybody stays safe, enjoy the weather, get outside. Just get outside and enjoy it.